Road trips are fun, until something wild happens and you've got zero proof. Not cool. That's why today we're running through the 7 best dash cams you can grab in 2025. From crystal clear 4K recording to smart features that keep your ride safer, these cams are basically your car's second set of eyes. Let's get started. Vantrue E1 Pro. Size isn't everything, as the Vantrue E1 Pro demonstrates. This tiny dash cam, which is about the size of a quarter, captures every road sign, license plate, and detail with its 158-degree wide lens and true 4K video at 30 frames per second. You can see license plates up to 31 miles per hour in the dark with the help of Starvis 2 night vision and PlatePix HDR, making it 50% clearer than regular 4K. You can instantly download footage at 8 megabytes per second straight to your phone, track routes, and check speed, thanks to the built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi. Keeping yourself occupied? Say it aloud to take a picture, or turn on Wi-Fi. Voice commands are that easy. You can remotely check your car, preview footage in real time, and even deter intruders with the optional LTE module. Built for all-day protection, the E1 Pro features a 24/7 buffered parking mode, durable supercapacitors, and support for a massive 1 terabyte card. Despite its modest price tag of $149.99, this covert little cam packs a serious punch. Viofo A329S. Thanks to its front and rear-facing dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the Viofo A329S revolutionizes dashcam technology. Sharper plates, less blur, and cleaner low-light footage are the results of a 2.5-fold improvement in light sensitivity and dynamic range compared to the previous Starvis tech. Even in fast-moving traffic, the 1440p plus 1440p video captured with dual HDR recording is full of detail and color. Smooth motion can be achieved with the front camera's push to 60 frames per second. With 12 easy-to-understand voice commands like Take Photo and Lock Video, you can easily control the camera without using your hands. When you combine the Viofo app's quick downloads with the quad-mode GPS for accurate tracking and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you have a powerful yet user-friendly setup. You have 3 parking modes to choose from, including time-lapse and buffered motion detection for round-the-clock protection. As far as everyday drivers are concerned, the A329S is revolutionary due to its small size, adaptability, and safety features. Garmin Dashcam X310. Sleek and small, the Garmin Dashcam X310 stealthily provides some of the best dashcam features available. The front-facing 4K Ultra HD camera has a 140-degree field of view, so it can record in low light without missing a single lane or license plate. Clear and usable footage is maintained thanks to Garmin's Clarity TM polarizer, which cuts down on windshield glare. An integrated GPS system records your precise location, speed, and route with each clip, and the 2.4-inch touchscreen makes adjusting settings and playing back content a breeze. You can save videos or change the audio without taking your hand off the wheel thanks to its voice control feature. You can easily access and share your footage in the online vault through the Garmin Drive app. When you upgrade to a paid plan, you gain access to premium features like real-time surveillance and push notifications from parking attendants. The X310 is designed to instill complete self-assurance while driving, thanks to its array of driver alerts and the capability to connect up to 4 cameras. Vantrue N4 Pro. An all-around powerful dashcam, the Vantrue N4 Pro captures footage from any and all directions. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a family, or just someone who wants total peace of mind, the N4 Pro has you covered with its 4K front camera and 1080p rear and interior cameras. The sensor is made by Sony. Run it as a 3-channel setup, or toggle between 4K and 1080p dual mode with the cabin or rear cam. This cam can adapt to your needs. The rear camera can rotate 360 degrees for trunk monitoring, and the interior camera has infrared LEDs to clearly capture passengers even at night. With features like 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, voice control, and 24/7 parking modes, it's incredibly versatile. The dual capacitors used in its construction also make it resistant to very low or high temperatures. Rove R2 Dual. With the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam, you can see clearly from the front and back of your vehicle. Both the front and back cameras use wide-angle lenses to capture more of the road. Run it as a 3-channel setup, or toggle between 4K and 1080p dual mode with the cabin or rear cam. This cam can adapt to your needs. With an f1.5 aperture up front and an f1.8 aperture on the back, it captures brighter, clearer, low-light footage. And its Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor makes it shine at night with sharp colors and reduced noise. The lightning-fast 5G Wi-Fi is a standout feature. It allows download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second via the Rove app, making it ideal for rapid clip capture and social media sharing. If you ever find yourself in a sticky situation, you can rely on the built-in GPS to record your exact location, route, and speed directly onto your videos. Among its many features are a G-sensor, voice guidance, a custom 24/7 parking mode for continuous protection, and a 128GB micro SD card that comes free with the device. It can support micro SD cards with capacities up to 1 terabyte. REDTIGER F17 Elite. An impressive 3-channel dashcam, the F17 Elite records footage from any and all directions with stunning clarity. Plates, signs, and faces are consistently sharp thanks to its dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which record in 4K up front, 2.5K in the back, and 1080p internally. One notable feature is its full-color night vision, which is a first in the industry. The F17 maintains its vibrant detail even in low light, making nighttime footage look natural and usable, unlike most cams that go to grainy black and white. It also has a ton of extras, like a responsive touchscreen with voice control, an integrated GPS system for tracking your route and speed, and Wi-Fi 6 with 30 megabytes per second speeds, so you can download things quickly. The cabin cam even has a privacy toggle. The device employs a supercapacitor for dependability in extreme temperatures, comes with a 128GB card, and supports cards up to 512GB in size. With parking mode, the F17 Elite provides round-the-clock coverage. Viofo A329S. Premium dual dashcams don't get much clearer or more storage-friendly than the Viofo A329S. Dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors enable 4K at 60 frames per second up front and 2K HDR recording out the back. Better detail, less noise, and precise plate capture in low light or high motion are all results. It employs an energy-saving impact detection mode for parked protection, activating immediately in the event of a bump while reducing battery drain. If you also have the hardwire kit, you can monitor your home at all times. With its support for Wi-Fi 6, you can enjoy lightning-fast transfers of 30 megabytes per second, enough to download a full 1-minute 4K clip in less than 10 seconds. Plus, the A329S can accommodate up to a 4 terabyte SSD or 512 gigabyte MSDR, which is more than most dashcams can. The A329S is designed for drivers who consistently demand professional-level reliability and attention to detail. It comes with extras, such as voice control, quad-system GPS, an anti-glare CPL filter, and clean coaxial cabling.